Hello and welcome to Tableau tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how we can easily create a beautiful bar chart like this in Tableau in very quick and simple step. We are using the same data set, which is the global superstore data set, and this particular data set contains three different tables. We are using the order table in order to create a bar chart. And this is what exactly we are going to achieve. We are going to open another sheet to create another design, and we are going to see the amount of sales in each category in this particular bar chart. So we are going to stick with two different columns, which is the category and the sales. So we are going to bring the category to the column shelf, and we want to see the sales in each particular category. So we will bring the sales, the sum of sales, in the row shelf. Now you see the bar chart is already been developed, but there is not much spacing between these three categories. So what we can do is, we can come over here, we can select the entire view, and this is how the chart is going to look like. But we want to decrease the size a bit so that this particular chart looks more fascinating. So this is how the chart is going to look like when we decrease the size. But there is not much uniqueness to this particular design. All the three categories has the similar color. So what we can do is, we can go ahead and bring the category to the column, and we can assign a color to each category. You see over here, every single category has unique color to it. Now this is looking much more fascinating than previous design or the previous bar chart. But we also want to see the amount of sales above each bar, so that we can easily identify, looking at the each category, that how much of sales that has been done in each category. So we can bring the sales again to the label option, and we can put it over here, and then it will easily give us the total sum of sales in each particular category in this particular data set. So this is how you can create a beautiful bar chart using Tableau in very quick and easy steps, which is just like you are dragging and dropping it to each column shelves or row shelves or cards, and the design is getting automatically generated. It's that simple. So that's all for today's video. We will catch up with you in the next video. Till then, take care.